Fixing an old fairy house, one I built 3 years ago. Hi, it's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies. And I'm working on my fairy gardens, very busy. But first, I'm going to show you a fairy house that I've had in my garden for, this will be the 4th year, and it needs some fixing up because it's kind of weather worn. So I'm going to turn you around and show you this. Okay, I got some special glue for wood this time. And the poor fairy garden's just falling apart, as you can see. And we've got these sticks. And we got sticks that go on this side. There's those sticks, that's the back. And then there's these sticks here. What did I do with them? What did I do with them? Well, they have to be here somewhere. Okay. So, the first thing we have to do, see there's a clay pot under there. I have it sitting on a bunch of sticks. So I think that's what I'm going to do, is build the sticks up at the back. And then we're going to repair these sticks. It needs a lot of work. Like I say, it's been out in the weather for a long time. And it's just kind of fallen apart, but I do like it. It's got a cute little boy and girl fairy right there. And it's like a log cabin with a little thatched roof. And we'll work on the roof too. So I'm gonna let my glue gun heat up, and then we'll start gluing stuff back together again. Okay, we have to work on this because it's pretty crooked. So, not sure what I'm gonna do. Have to bring that up. Might just put a big post there to hold that up. Okay. At this time, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you like this content, give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment, please. I always like to say hello. Here I've put a nice big piece of wood inside the log cabin to make it straighten it out and give it some more strength. And I'm just going to glue some sticks all down the back of it, and that will finish the back off nice. So just gonna start gluing those sticks. Now I'm gluing the bark back on around the slab of wood that I make my fairy gardens on. And I'm trying this new glue well, new to me. It's supposed to be a wood glue, so I'm hoping that this glues this bark on better. Every year I've glued it back on because when it rains it comes off. So hopefully this glue will hold better.